gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I think we are shooting a day in the life vlog. I am with my man. We are from church and we just thought let's come to the studio cafe. So we're in the parking lot right now. I've been seeing a lot of like reviews and videos on TikTok and I knew I had to try this place. So initially I was supposed to come here with my friends yesterday. Yesterday was a Saturday, today is a Sunday, but they ditched me for better plans. So yeah, I asked my boyfriend if he could come here for breakfast and he said sure. So I'm like, yes, we're here. I can't wait. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys everything. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's go in. Sorry, I'm shooting a video. was saying, my boyfriend, my baby went back home. Obviously he has to go work, so I miss him already. I miss him so much. Long distance. I really can't wait for the day I move in with him and just be together. People are driving so recklessly on the road. It's just a mess. Anyway, I was saying I really cannot wait for the day where we're gonna be staying together. Like, guys, yo, yeah, ne? I'll give you guys a full review of the place when I get home, when I'm chilled. I still have my carrot cake that I'm gonna have. They tasted it and he said it is amazing. I'm gonna have mine with coffee, but later on in the day. So, I don't know if it's just me, but like every time after having like restaurant food, I don't want to go back home and have a home cooked meal. No, I can't. So I'm just gonna wait like an hour or two and then have my cake with coffee. Obviously it is gloomy, it was drizzling earlier, so perfect weather. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. So as you can see, I've changed. I'm wearing a onesie now because it's actually cold. Well, like a so a tiny little bit of cloud. So I am very cold. I am gonna have my cake now and then have coffee just so that I can warm up a bit. As I said, this is the carrot cake. So before like I give a full review, I think let me just taste the cake and then we'll chat. So this is how it looks like. I did shoot a video, so I'm gonna have a taste test. Okay. Yes. Mm. 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 Guys, this is good. Mm. This is good. I feel like this is the best carrot cake I've ever had. No lies, guys, I'm not even kidding. I think it was like 45 bucks for a slice. Mm. Mm. You know what? My boyfriend wanted to take a bite. So and then he went in again for another bite. And you say you're taking just one bite. He's like, no, this is actually really good. It's really good. So he thought he didn't want the cake. And then he tasted like he was about to go into the bus. And he's like, oh, can I have a taste of your cake? I'm like, sure. He's like, this is so good. I literally regret not getting this. This is by far the best carrot cake I have ever had. By far. I guess it takes the blue tea though. A lot of people talk about it. I will try it soon. I don't know when, but I'll try it. I have to try it. Anyways, so the place is nice. It's because I mean, at first when we drove in, we're like, okay, I mean it is a park, but the other portion of the park is the studio cafe. Studio cafe. But the studio cafe area is really nice, guys. It's really, really, really nice. The lights. I think I did shoot us like going into like the inside. You have an option of sitting inside and outside, but obviously I love outdoor. I feel like okay, indoor is nice and everything, but there's no good lighting indoors, so I usually prefer sitting outside so I could shoot and take pictures and do whatever I want to do. So yeah, that's why I just opted to sit outside. It was raining, well, it was drizzling, not raining, it was drizzling, but they have like umbrellas outside, so we didn't get wet at all. We had an amazing time, no lie. And I ordered the the drink, what do you call it, the orange something, I'll write the name on the screen. The orange something was 25 bucks. It's really nice. It's uh an alcoholic cocktail, a mocktail. Yeah, a mocktail was 25 bucks. It's really nice, you guys. Like, I'd literally go back to that place for that drink. It's very nice. My boyfriend first ordered a Coke, you know, and then he ordered they have an option of you making like your own pizza. So you basically choose 4 toppings and then it comes with a mozzarella for 135. They say it's a large pizza. I don't think it's large, honey. It's medium. It's not big at all. Compared to other places where I've had that large pizza, that one is not large at all. I don't want to lie. Sorry, but the pizza was okay. It's not like anything to write home about. It's okay. Like, okay, we ate it, we finished it, but it wasn't like wow. And then I ordered I'll write the name on the screen. I forgot, but it's pork chops. Something pork chop. It was really nice. It was amazing. My boyfriend, on the other hand, feels like it doesn't have a taste, sort of. But I feel like I love it. I would literally go back for it. So I don't know. You'll try it for yourself. But I really loved it. I would give it a 9 out of 10. And I get Mozariti, but he's probably have a 6 year. I don't know. I loved it. The fries are 11 out of 10. The small salad on the side, haggis, I don't like it. But I'm not really like a salad person, so judgment would be biased. But I really, really loved it. The service was good. From the time, literally, somebody went to the door to wait for us, you know, greeted us and everything. Do you like a table? Would you like a table for 2? We're like, sure. Do you want to sit inside or outside? It wasn't full, so the service was great. Our food did take a little bit longer to prepare, but they did tell us that it would take a while. And then if you want like ready-made food, they have oxtail and other stuff like wopap and everything that's ready-made. So those, it will take about less than 15 minutes for you to have the food, but we didn't want that, obviously. Yeah, really, the place is amazing. I am gonna go back there to try that breakfast. We got there at around 12 o'clock, so that breakfast ends at 11. Yeah, so they sometimes open at 7:30. I think I did see that on the menu. I may be wrong, but they did say on the menu that breakfast is served from 7:30 to 11 a.m. and then 12 to 6, and then sometimes they close at 10 p.m. Please check that page to verify everything I've said. But in terms of the food, I love the food. I'm gonna go back for the breakfast because I had a great time. The ambience is great. The music was nice, although my boyfriend says they're playing like 3 songs but they repeat that. I don't know, I didn't pay attention, but I like the ambience. I like the place. It is by the road though, so but I don't mind that. It's okay for me. So yeah, I think that's about it, and I think this is the end of this video. It was actually just us going out because I don't have anything interesting that I'm gonna do this week. So I will definitely see you guys next week, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new and you haven't subscribed. And if you like this video, please do click the like button and then leave me a comment in the comment section. In this year, I think I want to be trying out more restaurants and cafes and just giving a review and everything. So yeah, if you have a place in mind that I could try, if I haven't been there, I will go there and give a review. If I've been there but it wasn't like I didn't do much at the place, I will go back there and then try and then give a full review. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and bye.